and happy Saturday. I am so happy that my hair is freshly touched up. It's so crazy because if you are blonde or get your hair colored, you relate. Like, you just get it colored and it seems like it was just so recent, like, that you did it, that you just kind of like forget about it. And then one day you look in the mirror and you're like, my hair, like, what? And then you like make your appointment right away. I feel like anyone who gets their hair done has a similar story or narrative. It's just how it feels like, because I literally remember just highlighting my hair in like July, and so it's been like literally a month. Like, it's been a month and a half and my hair has been growing really, really fast. I don't know if it's because I've been taking so many different supplements. I don't know how to pinpoint what it is. I also been sleeping on silk pillows, but it's been going on. But like, genuinely in a month, I had like this much growth, which is like so much. It's like 3 inches of hair growth in a month. So I'm really happy about that, actually. But it's Saturday, and right now I'm actually working on editing some vlogs, and I'm about to film like the talking part of my Zara videos, which are up by this point. Also want to share with you guys what the 2 new necklaces for our collection are launching tomorrow. So the first one is this one, which is a super thick chain. Looks like this. By the time this vlog is up, they will be up. These are also all 24 karat gold, so they won't tarnish. You can wear it to the gym, work, whatever. I want it to focus on, but it's just like this super thick chain. Also, it's really I don't know, it's just like, I think it's so fun. It's a little bit edgy. It's a little bit like more masculine. It's like kind of like mixing with the more dainty chains. I can obviously custom sizes for you up to 16 inches. And so I feel like a lot of guys like necklaces like kind of like this print. So I don't know, you can match with your boyfriend if he's into necklaces. I know a lot of guys are. And then our other new fun piece is this like very sparkly, it's a little bit like bigger. I'm sorry, I was wearing it with Sierra, so I'm just mixing in here. It's just like super like little dainty, it's like a dainty chain if it was like thick, and then the little clasp goes in the front, so I'd buckle it around like this. Or I mean, also obviously you could wear it like, you could wear it with the clasp in the back. The design intent was to have the clasp in the front, but you could obviously, if you just wanted it to be a dainty chain, it's really versatile. You can wear it like this as you like layer it, you know, with the star necklace, and the star one will fall under here. This is 13.5 normally. You guys know the star is 14. So if you wear it with the star, it would be like, it would fall right under, and then this one. So those 3 would be super pretty. Or you could wear it as like design, which would be with the kind of clasp in the front like that. And then I love these 2 together, but I love layering Sierra. I don't know, I can find my gold Venice. I think it's like in my gym bag or something, but this is super nice. And if you added a Venice right here, I feel like it'd be so perfect. It'd be like drip, 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 and then this. And just so pretty and fun for the daytime. Like, I'm literally just wearing a white top with blue jeans, and immediately my outfit looks so glam because of the necklaces. So this is our new launch. We're so excited. The Sierra silver and gold are restocked. They've been selling out. We've been trying to make sure we're on top of restocking them. We only have a little bit left right now, and as soon as those are sold out, it might take us like up to 2 weeks to get those restocked. So if you want a Sierra gold or Sierra silver, I highly recommend you pick it up. We're still working on getting Beverly in stock. These are some like housekeeping, Coco just clawed my foot, housekeeping things that I wanted to mention, but I'm so happy. My hair is bright again, and I'm so excited about these new launches. And this clasp is full 24 karat gold too, and it's like heavy. Like, it's so heavy. When you get in, if you buy it and you get it in the mail, please like pick up. You can just feel that it's not just like gold plated or gold covered. This is a full 24 karat gold, and you can just like feel like the weight of it. It's insane. Hey, no scratch, beam. So yeah, I think it's perfect, these pieces. I'm just literally drinking a doctor's orders. I'm about to film. Also, if you watched my Instagram stories, you remember my YSL shoes broke. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with them. I got them from Saks over 90 days ago, and I don't have a receipt. And I normally shop at Barney's, and I have an account with Barney's, so even if I don't have a receipt, everything's on file. I know I could show my like card statement and show that like I paid blah blah blah. I got 2 pairs of shoes that day, so I guess I could show that. I showed them in my luxury haul, but my like YSL shoes just like ripped. Like, I was walking and the top like ankle strap just ripped off, like pulled off. And so now I don't have any black strappy heels, because my idea behind that getting those was like, I'm gonna get this nice pair of heels. They were like $800, and I was like, this will be my investment. I'll wear these all the time. And I was wearing them all the time, like multiple times a week. They're like my go-to shoes, so I felt like I was getting my money's worth instead of buying like $50 ones and having them rip. But then they ripped, and so no, I still just left for lunch, like fine. I wish 2 new necklaces. I wore them when we went to tour. Hi guys, so I'm back and I wanted to do kind of a little chit chat slash a mini haul. Basically, as I told you earlier, my YSL shoes basically broke and I did not think I was going to be able to return them or get anything back from them because it's over the 90 days and I don't have a receipt, just have like the transaction obviously in my bank statement. But I went to Saks today and I'm actually able to return those or get like the money back for it, and they said it's happened before. So those YSL shoes are like, oh, this happened before, like the thing is ripped off. So at least I know it's like not, I wasn't too aggressive with them and that it's happened before, because I honestly just wore them how I'd wear any other shoe, and maybe I only was wearing them for like 3 months. It's not like it was like 2 years later and I'm like, oh my gosh, they broke, you know. But I ended up picking up a different pair of black strappy heels, and I'm just gonna bring the YSL ones back and just basically paying the difference. I picked up these, or actually maybe they were the same. These are the, I picked up some Louis Vuittons. I got these at Saks. I went to a few stores just to, because I feel like just having a black strappy heels, like the plastic, you can wear with anything. You can wear it with like a dress really easily, you can wear it with a romper, you could be wearing jeans and a t-shirt. It's like the most versatile shoe. And it's so funny because I remember, like, I was on the phone with my mom in Barney's and I was telling her, oh my gosh, I wish that Christian Louboutin had just like a classic black strappy shoe, because I didn't see any. I've never seen them have those before, and I was thinking like that would be amazing, because not only their shoes are just like really nice quality, even though most are really uncomfortable. These are pretty comfortable. You know the So K or the Pigaels? I have those and those are so uncomfortable. It's like hell wearing them. So I wasn't sure how the wear would be, but these are really, really comfy. I can tell. There's a black strappy heels. There's nowhere you can really squeeze your foot too much. And I think these are just made a lot better than YSL ones, honestly, quality-wise. I was just comparing them. So in case, the YSL ones are still nice, so in case you bought them after I recommended them, I don't want anyone to be like triggered. They were a great shoe. Man, I don't know, maybe I was just randomly too aggressive with them. I know people have had them for a long time and nothing's ever happened, so it's kind of like a, I don't know, I guess a personal experience, or it's not that they're a bad shoe. I mean, obviously people are buying them and that style's been around for a long time and so it's popular, but I picked up these at Saks. I'll try to find them online so I can link them for you if you're interested. Again, I'm still wearing the 3 necklaces. Like, look how, this is like literally bathroom lighting, and look how all of them shimmer. I just like always talk about that with like this is like like what's that app, Akira? This isn't the Akira app, this is real life. It's just so, I don't know, I love them. I got so many compliments on these today, and I wore my Balenciaga stage. I know everyone has really mixed feelings on. I got all the compliments on those, but I know that's only because they're trendy and people are just like, oh. But basically, a mini unboxing. They basically come in this box, and then they come with the individual shoe bags, which is really nice if you're traveling, so they don't get like scratched up with your other stuff. And it's also just good to have like dust bags. It's really nice to store your shoes like that if you're extra careful. I probably should baby my shoes a little bit more. I really don't baby my shoes. I wore those YSL ones to the pier and Revolve rented out the pier, which probably wasn't the best idea in retrospect, but I don't know. Then I think this is probably like a bottom of a shoe. Yeah, so in case these like after time wear out, so it's so nice because my YSL ones didn't come with this, and they're the same price too, so it's weird. It's like when that bottom of the shoe gets worn out, you can put like a new one in. It comes with 2 of them, which is so nice because then they can feel fresh. If you walk on like concrete and sidewalk a lot, they get worn out. But they're basically just the classic black, like literally a classic black shoe. And I can just tell, I don't know why, I just feel like these are nicer quality than the YSL ones. These are in a 7.5. I sized up, normally I'm a 7 because I felt like my foot was too wide for the 7. Like, it just felt like it was like being shoved in, like it was like my foot and it was just like wrapped in tight tape. This feels really comfortable and like it's a perfect fit. So if you order these online, I recommend going a half size up, like for sure. Do not think they're going to be too big or loose, or like my heel fits perfectly on here. Like if it doesn't, there's no room or anything like that, that's too much. Also, they have like a little acrylic strap, which I really like because this is really trendy currently too, so it's kind of perfect. It almost looks like invisible when you wear them. It almost looks like the shoe's just like on, and then you have like a strap around your ankle. Also, the strap is really easy to put on, and I think it's nicer quality, but it's just kind of, I mean, you know the bottoms. And it's nice to have like a pair of Louis Vuittons I can wear a lot, because the ones I have are so painful that I could probably just wear them only to dinner and take them. I'd have to take them off at dinner and then put them back on to walk back to the car. Like, you could wear them from, if you valet your car, to the table, and then from the table back to your car. That's how painful they are. But these are really comfy, so it's nice to be able to wear them. And also, the YSL ones are just like a plain black shoe. And not that it truly matters, but like if you're gonna spend a lot of money in a shoe, you kind of want to know that whatever it is, like let's say you are gonna buy like, I don't know, like an Hermes bag. You're not gonna buy one that like is no one knows it's Hermes. That's why it matters. But if it didn't matter, you'd be buying like a Target bag. Do you know what I mean? And you also like you guys know what I'm saying. Like I mean like, you couldn't tell the difference between that YSL one and a Zara shoe probably. But it's nice that these have a fun bottom. I think it's fun. I just think it's cool. And I know that like you can get them re-glossed after the red wears off. If anyone knows more about that, you can let me know. But I know it's a thing. Also in LA there's a standalone Christian Louboutin store, so I don't know if maybe they do it there or something. Also just that like this feels so much more substantial than the other ones, but the hook looks like this, and this looks like, this is like, I doubt that this would ever rip off the acrylic. I was literally looking at the back because my other ones ripped like basically right here. I mean this is just like a plastic, so I don't see that ripping. Then the leather strap, and then how you buckle it is when you put it through, you just put this little thingy through here like that. So that's what they look like on. Basically, and then it goes through here. So really, really cute. Again, it's nice because I could literally wear a black top, jeans, and then this, and it's a daytime appropriate look. You could wear it with like a really fancy like maxi dress in the evening, and it could be an evening look. I honestly wish they have these in nude, but they don't. They have them in the kind of random colors. They have them in like a blue, like a gold snakeskin, and black. I needed a black one anyway, but it'd be nice to find something similar to this in nude. If they have this in nude, and if I wear them, they're really nice. I honestly might get them in nude in the future because there's just some dresses where I just really wish I could wear with nude. Also, it's just gonna be nice in the fall to wear like a sweater dress, a belt, and then these. And you can wear a romper. I know there's a lot of stuff that you could wear these too, so I really like them. I'm gonna try to be really careful with these though, because I just wasn't really careful with the YSL ones. Like this part was really scuffed up, and this part was scuffed up on my YSL, so I guess it taught me a lesson to be a little bit more careful. So I'm gonna try to be careful with these. But yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing. Also, I just always have the best customer service at Saks. I think that the customer service is a really important thing, especially if you're shopping somewhere often and you're spending like a lot of money. I don't know, I just feel like you should be getting a good experience. And at Barney's, it's mixed. Either it's really good or it's like really bad. I don't know, I've also noticed, and this is not like in a rude way at all, but like at Barney's, the gay men are really, really nice, and then the women workers a lot of times aren't nice, which I don't know if it's just like a, I don't know, girl to girl thing. Like they're just like, I don't know what the psychology behind that is, but I've just noticed that in Saks I always just have such good service, whether it's like a female or male, whatever. It's always just, they're so helpful. Like you walk in the meeting, they're like, is there anything you're looking for? If you're looking for something, they'll help you get it. And if they have to order it, they immediately offer to order it. They check other stores. I don't know, it's just, the service there is really great. They like ask you exactly maybe what you're looking for. If you're looking for something super specific, they bring out options, like just very involved. And especially if you've watched my vlog from yesterday for the House of CB, how fucking rude they were there. It's just like customer service is so important because it literally shapes your experience, and it shapes your opinion of a store. It was crazy that a store, I'm gonna brush my hair with a Tangle teaser because I was sweating so hard and I thought my hair got tangled, because your opinion of a store is literally based off of, you know, your experience. And so you want to have a good experience, and that's kind of scary for department stores because someone can have a bad experience somewhere and then it kind of changes the opinion of the whole store. Thankfully I've had a lot of other really good experiences at Barney's. Like those Gucci espadrilles, when I bought them, they were so helpful. They like held them for me, not for a long time or anything, but like I had to get picked up later in the day, and they held them for me, and that was really nice. And yeah, they actually do have them back at the Barney's in LA, those Gucci espadrilles, if you were interested in them. I saw them today. But yeah, that's basically everything that I wanted to share. What are other announcements? A lot of you guys have been emailing me and messaging me that you guys have been loving this month's monthly guide, which means so much. And yeah, it's really exciting. I'm really excited for this collection to launch. I'm really excited to launch the new collection that'll all go to the animal shelter, which is really amazing. It's like something really important to me. And I'm so excited my hair is fresh again. Let me know what other content you want to see or like want me to talk about. Sometimes I feel like I'm used to sharing things I share, and then you guys ask me questions. Also, you can always feel free to leave any questions about anything, even if I didn't talk about in this vlog, because a lot of times I'll answer questions throughout the next vlog. I'll just pull up a bit of a vlog and see what people are asking or see what are common themes. I'm going to also wear the House of CB romper, so I'll show you what that looks like. I don't think I tried it on yesterday. In case you're curious, and I'll link it if I have it on the website. It's really, really cute. It's like when you want a little black dress, it's like the perfect little black black romper. Standing on the toilet, but I wanted to show you guys the romper. It's from also from House of CB. I bought it yesterday. I just think it's like the perfect like little black romper that you could later, like people have a little black dress, but I feel like a romper is so versatile. Like it kind of makes like a V right here. You can like scrunch it higher or lower. I just try to keep it at my waist. And then you tie it right here. I tied it pretty tight just so it doesn't open too much, but you can have them open more. And it has just like ruffles on ruffles on ruffles. It might not be everyone's taste, honestly, but like the sleeves have ruffles, the butt has ruffles, like everything has ruffles. I know, I really like it like that. And then I feel like it's really cute. You could just wear it with like little black heels, and then later in the fall you can wear it with like thigh-high boots and like a black jacket, and it could be really, really cute. I don't know, I just really, really liked it. And the material is so nice and pretty, and it has like little polka dots. I don't know, it reminds me of something from like the 60s. And then these have little gold little detailing. So I wanted to show you guys. Also got this belt bag from Zara. Usually I'm pretty like, the only things I like to always buy more like luxe are usually bags. Like I don't know, because I just feel like I'm usually would be the one to save on like the outfit and then just get a nice bag. But belt bags are such a trend right now, and I was thinking of getting like this YSL one, but then I was like, they're gonna be out of style and they're not like a versatile bag to wear. Like I'm not gonna be able to wear that to all my outfits. Like you literally have to kind of plan your outfit around the belt bag. This looks pretty good with it. Like it looks better if it's just like a tight long dress and then it's right there. But so if you're looking for something kind of just a substitute, I got this at Zara. I'll try to find it online. It kind of looks like Chloe with the little thingy, but I'm gonna put this on like this. Drilled a hole. If you ever have like a bad bag or a belt or something that's too small, just drill a hole, honestly. And this is what it looks like. I don't know, like I really like it. It might not be everyone's cup of tea. It really reminds me of like a Chloe outfit, because this is like Chloe's style. Chloe is in like the designer. And then, I don't know, it's just nice to have a bag so that you can just put your phone in it, your wallet, your ID, whatever you need. And it's just like there. There's some stuffing in here, I see. Just gonna take it out. So yeah, I'll link this romper, I'll link this from Zara. If you're interested, I'm still, again, today's like, I'm wearing that Dior, like skincare makeup, and it looks really natural on. I do have blush and bronzer on, so maybe it looks a little bit more intense. Look, oh my gosh. Look at this mess. The stickies, the fucking stickies. And then I show you those. So that's that. I love how I'm like, you guys, like I'm literally standing on the toilet. On the toilet.
Don't promise me you can't live it. Don't hang around if you can't stay. But the moon and the stars sure look pretty when the sun goes down. I'm going